All right, we're gonna start this off right. Let me show you the job that they did on this floor. That's holes. I mean, it looks like total crap. Nothing but dust and dirt will get in there. They came to fix it. This is their fix job. That haze you see, that's what they call fixing it. Trying to cover up cracks. They filled the holes with epoxy. You can see where they smeared epoxy on these holes. It looks like somebody tried to wipe up the stain there. And you can see the mound of epoxy there and drops there. All right, now I don't know if you can see the haze, but, and it's nothing but dirt in the coating that they put on. You know, just little bumps everywhere. Let's see, lights here. I mean, you're talking total garbage work. I guess they thought just because it shined it would look good. And I mean, even from here, you can see just crater holes in the floor. And once again, white spots everywhere. And cracks, you know, it's total garbage. And once again, and that's just with a fingernail, and my nails aren't good at all. And it's gonna, the whole house is gonna keep doing that because it wasn't put on right. The whole job wasn't done right. I could have watched YouTube and done it better myself. Why didn't I? Because he was using the contractor to have the floors done. But look at this. That's the sealer. All right, stay tuned for the second part. We'll get it finished up. Get it fixed.
button.
I can open it, but no,
Not the electric, the push the button don't work, huh?
no, it works.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I tried to push it yesterday. It wouldn't open.
Really?
But I could have been.
It blended so well.
Yeah, I know it's gonna darken up with that sealer,
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's going to darken.
But we're still,
but y'all used to it.
yeah.
What I see is like, ooh, a little bit of brown,
Yeah.
Oh,
And
but
yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna pop.
oh,
you know?
there's a bunch of brown in
It
there.
looks so different when you see
Oh,
it.
yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a whole lot of brown. I got,
Black coffee bean.
yeah, I
Is
got
that what you're
black
gonna say?
coffee. I got black coffee, dark walnut, which when you grind concrete, it changes your composition of your concrete. It doesn't, you know, you take that cream off and it doesn't stain up as dark as normal. So that's what we're gonna come in and put some.
Extra tint.
We're gonna put some dark colors in it with some xylene solid color sealers with the airless.
You're videoing all the different steps. I love that because at the finish, are you gonna like take it and cultivate
Before
whatever
and
that word
after.
is? Yes.
Before as in when he started grinding.
Can you send us this video when you finish?
Yeah.
Like how it looks like?
I usually put them on YouTube. I'll send you the link for sure.
I think it's gonna be awesome, like the different,
Oh yeah.
the
If
different
not, I have to
stages.
put it on like a SIM card or a memory stick.
Yep. Oh, she got a bunch of brown in her.
We mopped
Yeah.
up 4
Oh, yeah.
times this whole house yesterday, even the residue.
That's what Keith was saying. He's like, if it already peeled, they didn't.
Darken it will come off this point, just kind of run that around the wall.
Now here's a stupid question, because when you did Keith's, they was telling me you was using a pump up sprayer.
I use the pump up spray.
The
Okay,
acid.
Yeah.
okay.
Oh yeah. Yeah, all this brown is sprayed on with a pump up sprayer.
I got you.
Yep.
You just highlighting with
I'm
that.
just, I'm taking this and blending out, all them holes we patched, and then the next step will be, my airless sprayer.
You can see it a little bit, but it ain't bad. Like there's some of the crack goes across
Yeah,
here.
you ain't gonna cover it up all the way.
Yeah, but it still looks good.
But it ain't flaking up.
Yeah. No, none of it's flaking up. It looks good to me. And I like the colors of it a lot.
Why in the hell did did that.
Yeah.
I'd have them switch that out too. See, this is the way it should have looked to begin with.
I gotta come back and do that too.
What?
I don't know if it was Kevin Leonard who did it, but they took the lights off.
What?
Yeah.
No, that wasn't Kevin that did that shit. They,
Well,
just
I
didn't,
didn't-
they didn't have it locked and it probably just fell down.
Yeah, because that's with it. Well, no, that's with every one of them.
They didn't have them locked.
Yeah.
You gotta stick it up there and turn it to lock it in place.
Yeah. But I gotta get it through.
See, and they had cut the floor right there with that X-Acto knife,
Yeah.
but he got it all covered up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He put that back in, but I don't know why they had that.
Well, that's what,
Unless
he
somebody
asked me if I
was
wanted to
leaning
put it back in. It's not in.
I guess that's if somebody was leaning on it.
I guess. I told him don't put it back in, I'll decide when we go to move it, if I want it back in or not. Because all this is 3 screws.
Yeah.
Go through it.
You got had to do that touch-up paint with that thing.
Yeah, I gotta
edge.
I gotta look at all the spots because I have some on the walls too, like right here on this one, where it rubbed it.
Yeah, you ain't gonna stop that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That over there is done now.
Yeah.
Your light switch should be the first one, then your fan. See, all of these.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we could do that. See, and he didn't cake the damn, that resin on to where it just flakes off.
Yeah.
They just mopped it on
Yeah.
real thick so it would shine and they called it good.
It's thin there a little bit.
I want to, yeah, this one had a crack.
Yeah, run
He
across
got
there.
it covered up real good.
Yeah, it is. See that?
Have to shine though.
I went to flip the switch on the inside. That one puts the
Yeah.
fan on.
We'll go through, turn off at the circuit breaker and put all your lights, the first switch.
I can get them to do that whenever they come down for it, because they gotta fix that one that's backwards anyway. I'm gonna get them to do all of them the right way.
You did a good job putting the
Yeah.
shoe molding back on. See, and in this one, the worst hole I found was right there. That's the one that
Yeah.
didn't even have sealing in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It got it blended real good.
He does.
Yeah, but I'd have them change all them electrical, them switches. First switch is your lights.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You can still tell where the crack was, but
Mm-hmm.
it ain't.
It ain't
flaking.
bad. I'm fine with it. I'm happy with it.
It ain't flaking up.
Yeah.
And you ground that hump down some that was right here.
Mm-hmm.
This was just a pile of concrete where they didn't level the concrete.
No, where's Worst place I saw was in this room. Because it's right in here.
Well, that glob,
No, right here. That's the worst spot, right there. Because it's got a little bit of a hole in it, but I don't mind it. Too bad.
yeah, that's the worst one, that ain't nothing.
I know, that's what I said.
That's probably where a rock popped up.
Mm-hmm.
Probably broke a rock.
More than likely. Yeah, other than that,
This is where that white.
that's where the white spot is, right there, where it's light right here. It's right here where all these rocks are. That's where that white spot was. It's right there.
I thought it was right here.
I might have been, but it's either right here or it was right in here. But I mean, it covered up good. I'm happy with that.